What's up, guys? It's John back here on some mulching clearing project up here at Table Rock Tea Company. If anybody's been watching the channel for quite a while, it's a customer of ours up here in the upstate of South Carolina. You can actually see Table Rock right there. That's Highway 11 right out there. So they small tea farm here in the upstate. Who knew? But anyway, so what we're doing is they're expanding their fields, and I don't know a lot about tea. I don't drink tea, but he's got tea planted all through woods, open field, a little bit of everything, and I think it'll pretty much grow anywhere. And it looks pretty cool. I'll show you some over there if you guys haven't seen it. But customer here went through and cut down everything he wanted to cut down. They had a bunch of stuff along the road down there they wanted to get out of the way, and basically he just dropped it all. Couldn't get a logger in here. It was too small project, a lot of pulpwood. There's not a huge market anymore for pulpwood where we're at, but it's somewhere right around 2 acres, I think, if I had to guess. But this is stuff he had a tree guy come in and help him, stuff that was down the road, and they just brought it up here and dumped it. So as you can see, it's just a lot of stuff. You know, there's pretty good size oak in there, white oak, red oak, all kinds of stuff, holly, a little bit of everything that and he was just trying to get a little bit more sunlight down through here was his goal, and still keep some shade as well. They got a little gift shop and stuff like that right over here. We've done all kinds of work. We took down a bunch of trees over here. Oh, that might have been 2 years ago now, I think. But got the Kobelco here. The minis over there. They got a pond down here. They have a little trail of pond. Got the 100, and just kind of going through and taking the 210 and pulling out some of this bigger stuff. I got it stacked over there, kind of separating it out. We're gonna probably get a load of pulp out of here, and then he's got a neighbor over here that will take some firewood, whatever we don't want. But yeah, just kind of loosen up, get out the big stuff, and then mulch down what I can. So yep, I've been working on this for about an hour, so I got this opened up. And but I was here the other day, did not get any mulch or video down there. I mean, mulching. What was I gonna tell you guys? I can't remember. I don't know if you can see, but that field over there, I mulched that out years and years ago. Oh, kind of smacked me there. Whew. I felt like I was gonna say something. Now I can't remember what it was. But anyways, so yeah, that's the plan. That's what we're doing here. So let's keep rolling and get some of this stuff. Yeah, man. Just talking to yourself. Got the video going. That's the customer there. He's actually got a small YouTube channel, so Table Rock Tea Company. I'll put a link in the description for you guys. It's pretty neat process what he's got here. Very, very unique setup that he's got. Like I said, I don't know a lot about tea. Not a tea drinker. Don't drink tea, don't drink coffee. It's not a thing. I knew as soon as I threw these up here, I'm like, oh, I should probably make those a little nicer and neater. This stuff here is too short. So just stacking it up out of the way, and then he's gonna run it down for firewood. That's a stump. One good thing about what we're doing on this hillside, if you were to clear it, like take it down to dirt, oh man, you would have such a mess here. Half of it would wash down there in the road and everything like that. It would just be an absolute disaster. So mulching gonna help hold that hillside and help with erosion. Borderline, I can mulch that up. Chuck that down there. Spread some of this stuff out. If the material is too like crisscross and too thick, it's really hard to mulch. It's best if it's spread out a little bit and not bumped up like that right there. You can mulch all that, but if it's spread out, it does a lot better. Kind of like that. A lot easier on the machine. This one I was coming over here for. Get this bad boy. All right, guys, give everybody a little update what's going on here. So things were going pretty good along this extremely steep hillside. About what you can expect on something like this. It's hard to tell camera wise, but this has definitely got a significant hill to it, slope. So I was back dragging right over here. I was just starting to finish off this, gonna start working my way back, and this big old stick came up through, and there's a loop, these two that loop around to the back side over here. Right there has a little loop in it, and what it does, it controls the hydraulic disconnect. So stick came up, ripped the hoses off. Seriously, went back to the shop, got probably 3-4 gallons of hydraulic oil, got some caps. I was like, oh, I'll just stick the caps on, and that way I can keep on mulching. Put the caps on, and it was not enough hydraulic oil. The motor's doing like a skipping, like it needs oil. I did it for 3 seconds and heard it, shut it off. Here's our hydraulic level. We're not even touching the glass. It was over on that side when I filled it up, spun around over here. Thought for sure it would be enough. I got more at the shop, but it's in a 55-gallon drum and everything. But so what I'm gonna do now, hop on the 210, go down here and pull a bunch of stuff out and get a bunch of stuff ready for the customer here. He is actually doing a bunch of the chainsaw work, so it's good for me, I guess. But so I'm gonna go over here, lay a bunch of stuff out where he can start doing his thing and bucking it up, and then I'm gonna get that back to the shop so I can have it ready to go for next week. It actually needs to go back to the ASV guys are coming next week to get it, or not to get it, to hold on, get my key. The ASV guys are coming next week to do a couple things as far as computer wise to the machine. They're gonna run some diagnostics on it. I'm taking it up to Rexroth. They're the hydraulic company that does all the hydraulics on the machine, pumps and actuators and all that kind of stuff. I believe the pump and the Fecon is the same company. Rexroth, R-E-X-W-O-R-T-H, Rexroth, something like that. Anyways, but I got to get it cleaned up actually and get it over to them, and then they're gonna have it for a couple days. Some engineers are coming down. It's throwing a weird code every now and then. You back up and the fan isn't blowing as often as it should or something. There's a couple things that they're working out. I mean, this machine isn't even in production that I know of yet, so they're trying to work out the bugs while, you know, let me use it and try to figure it out, you know. I mean, helping them out with some R&D, I guess. I don't know, I'm just rambling, I guess, but let's see if we can't go get something done. I'm not gonna waste too much time here. It's Saturday after Thanksgiving. Got some family still here in town, so I don't want to be out here forever or all day. But I just spent an hour and a half going to getting that stupid hydraulic oil and cap and everything. Really wasn't much worth it, but I can at least move it. I didn't want it spewing hydraulic oil everywhere, so whenever I go to load it up on the trailer, but this way I can at least go and load it and do what I can, load it up and stuff. Burn it up, man. I like this over stupid little dog would. All right, guys, I'm gonna call it a day. It's yeah, it's about all I can do. Kind of wasting time, just moving stuff and moving stuff and moving stuff. I really got to get this material, the grindable stuff, gone and out of the way, so I don't move it 3 and 4 times. But he's got plenty of logs he can cut up over here, so he could be doing that. And then I'll come up top and throw them up there whenever those are out of the way. But I can go way down here. All that can be mulched. Now there are some bigger logs over here, but all this I should just be able to hop in the old skid steer. Probably gonna bring the grab my phone, bring the 120 back. Oh man. And probably bring the shearex with me whenever I come back. And we're gonna try to get this hillside knocked out. This thing is definitely a challenge. I mean, there's really no place to burn. I mean, we could burn way over here on this side, but that's a long ways. You know, I wouldn't want to burn on this hill. It would just be too risky, you know, stuff rolling down, or I don't know. I could dig a pit and burn, but he doesn't want to grub it. He wants the mulch to be able to hold the bank. So that's what he wants. So that's what we're going to keep on working on. I'm going to get this 100 out of here, loaded up, and we will see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching the video. Have a good one, y'all.